In ancient times, humans and animals lived together in forests and water bodies without harming nature. They hunted and ate only the amount of animals required to meet their food needs. Due to this, animals and other living things survived without extinction. Nowadays, as a result of increased population, forests are being destroyed and their resources are being plundered, and the animals found there are dying out. Forests are beneficial to the sustainability of this planet. Almost 30% of the total land area of this earth is covered by forests. Examples of the largest forests